Hello, this is Opinion Radar, your go-to source for honest, in-depth reviews on the latest women's activewear that promises style, comfort, and real-life functionality. Today, we're diving into the Stelle Women's Tennis Skirt, a piece that's been making waves on social media and racking up rave reviews from athletes, busy moms, and weekend adventurers alike. Priced at just $18, it's an affordable option, but does it truly deliver beyond the pretty aesthetics? Over the past few weeks, I've put this skort through its paces, from intense rallies on the tennis court to casual daytime errands, and I'm excited to share my full experience. Spoiler alert, it's become a staple in my warm weather wardrobe. But before we jump into why this skort stands out in a sea of lookalikes, let's take a closer look at what makes it worth your attention, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let me tell you, if you're looking for a versatile, comfortable, and downright stylish athletic skort, the Stelle Women's Tennis Skirt is a total winner. From the moment I slipped into it, I was impressed by how thoughtfully it's designed. The high-waisted cut with a wide, non-rolling waistband offers gentle compression without squeezing you in all the wrong places, which, as someone who values both comfort and a flattering silhouette, really matters to me. It's made from a soft, stretchy performance fabric that wicks moisture, so whether you're serving on the tennis court or walking the golf course, you stay cool and dry. The pleated outer skirt gives it that polished, feminine look, while the built-in shorts provide freedom of movement and peace of mind, so you're never worried about flashing anything when you swing or squat. Honestly, it's the best of both worlds. Elegance meets practicality in one sleek package. One of the things I appreciate most is how functional this skort is beyond just sports. I've worn it on casual outings, from running errands to grabbing coffee with friends, and I always get compliments. It's become a go-to in my spring to fall wardrobe rotation because it transitions so effortlessly from the gym to brunch. The double pockets are a small but game-changing feature. They're deep enough to hold a phone, keys, or even a small wallet, and they're placed neatly on both sides, which is rare and so useful, especially if you're left-handed like me. I hate when brands design pockets as an afterthought, but here, they feel intentional and practical. The stitching is solid, the fabric holds its shape after multiple washes, and I've even tossed it in the dryer without any fading or shrinking. For $18, that kind of durability is impressive. Now let's talk fit and sizing, because that's always a make or break for me. I'm on the shorter side, around 5 feet 2 inches, and I can't tell you how many skirts I've bought that are just too long, pooling awkwardly around my calves. Not this one. The length hits at mid-thigh on me, which feels perfect, sporty, cute, and not overly short. That said, I've noticed it might feel a bit shorter on taller frames, so if you're more conservative with length, you might want to size up or try it on first if possible. As for sizing, I found it runs true to size based on the chart, but I've heard mixed opinions. Some say it runs big. I'd recommend checking the size guide carefully, especially if you're between sizes. I usually wear a medium, and this fits me like a dream. Snug enough to stay in place, but stretchy enough to move comfortably. I've tested this skort across multiple activities: tennis, walking, light gym work, even gardening, and it performs beautifully in each. The inner shorts are supportive, though I will say, I did notice on longer walks that they can ride up a bit, which was my only real gripe. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of if you're very active or wear it for extended periods. Other than that, the skirt stays in place, doesn't bunch, and the fabric doesn't cling or become see-through, even in sunlight. That's a huge plus for me. No one wants a wardrobe malfunction mid-swing. The colors are rich and vibrant, and they've held up well after repeated washes, which can be a challenge with athletic wear. I have the navy, light blue, and black, and each one looks as good now as it did on day one. What really sets this skort apart, though, is how confident it makes me feel. There's something about wearing a piece that combines style and function so seamlessly. It makes you stand a little taller, move a little freer. Whether I'm playing a competitive tennis match or just strolling through the neighborhood, I feel put together without sacrificing comfort. The pleated design flatters my shape, skimming over my hips and waist in a way that feels intentional and feminine. And for anyone who's struggled with post-surgery clothing or just wants something gentle on the midsection, this skort is incredibly kind to your tummy. It lays flat and doesn't bind, which is rare in activewear. That's probably why I keep coming back to it, season after season. Overall, the Stelle Women's Tennis Skirt delivers excellent value for the price. It's well-made, versatile, and stylish, a rare combo that's hard to find even in pricier brands. While the inner shorts could use a slight upgrade in length or grip to prevent riding up, everything else about this skirt exceeds expectations. It's become one of those pieces I reach for again and again, and I've even started collecting it in multiple colors. From the flattering fit to the thoughtful details like dual pockets and color accuracy, it's clear the design puts the wearer first. If you're looking for an athletic skirt that works as hard as you do while still making you feel cute, this one is absolutely worth adding to your cart. I know I've already got a few more colors saved for my next order. If you're ready to ace your activewear game, give the Stelle Women's Tennis Skirt a swing. I truly think you'll love it. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you play confidently and style smarter. See you in the next one. Game, set, match.